Today let's understand about how to set up your brand sending domain in Klaviyo. So head over to setting, click on domains and click a connect a domain. Click next. You can see a preview of send.cinnovations.com. You can add info or email in the start. Click next and click setup manually. Select your domain provider. Here we have Shopify as a domain provider. So click next and we just have to copy all these DNS records and paste it into the Shopify domain DNS setting. Click on the domain, click edit DNS and add a custom property. First is CNAME value, click confirm, add a second CNAME, add one more CNAME, add value, add a TXT record, and just click confirm. And once you are done with this, click verify. It says that your records are verifying. You can close this page and click finish. That's it. Your brand sending domain is verified and you can start sending the emails now. Click here to activate. Click I understand and click activate. It might take some time, but yeah, it's done. So your domain is set up successfully.